Hi guys, Jade here. We're having Memorial Day. This morning, me and Dad got to go out and fly our drones. Dad has a Mavic Pro and he just got it. And so he was really excited to go and fly it. And I get to fly my Zero Explorer. And after we flew the drones, we went to the beach and rode my paddleboard. Ready to go paddleboard. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
Break it down like this.
I rode it all around and I was giving some of my friends rides around the area. Sorry, I had a hiccup. Hiccup. And after that, I was learning new tricks with my fidgets. And I did a really cool one where I bounce it on my nose and I get the other two going on my hand. And I'm working on another one where I spin two in one hand going opposite directions and one out my nose. Hey guys, have a good rest of your Memorial Day weekend. I know I will. Sorry. Take two. Hi guys, Jade here. I just want to tell you. Ow, the teeth. Take 10. Hi guys, Jade.